In today's video, we are going to talk about differentiation. Okay, so we are going to talk about how to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so let's get started to question number one. We are giving that let me say solution first. So we are giving our y is equal to e raised to power 4x. Okay, and definitely you know that our u is the terms that are the what are the exponents. It is so in that instance we say if our u is equal to 4x. So our y will become uh, e raised to power what? U. Okay. Remember, we are trying to differentiate it. And if you are differentiating it, each of the u and the y must be differentiated, isn't it? So you say our du over dx, du over dx will be equal to what? 4. Okay. So our dy over du, let's say dy over du, dy over what? Du is equal to what? Okay, because this one it does not change. Okay, you know that for our dy dx is simply writing our dy over what? Du times du over what? Over dx, isn't it? So our dy over du, is e raised to our u times our du over dx. Our du over dx is what is 4. Okay, so if we multiply them together, we're going to have 4 e raised to power u. Okay, remember, according to what we are given in the initial equation that was we created, it is known that anytime you see u, represent it as a 4x. So in that instance, we say our 4 everything raised to power what? 4x. Okay, so this is answer to question number one. Okay, so having understood that, we're going to use the same approach for our second question. So let me clean up this one. So in our question number two, we are giving all this now. So we have our y is equal to e raised to power s raised to power 3 plus 2s plus 3, ain't it? All right. So definitely, if our u is equal to s raised to power 3 plus 2x plus 3, then our y will become 2. Okay. So let me say therefore, so that you don't get confused. So our du dx, let's start from our du dx. Our du dx will be 3 raised to power 3, going to be 3s raised to power 2 plus 2. Constant is what is 0, ain't it? So there's no point of writing our constant. So what of if to get our dy du, our dy du, our dy du is essentially e raised to power u. Okay, it's not going to change. Okay, so remember, we are told to find dy dx. Okay, so you say dy over dx we equal to our dy over du times du over what? Dx. Okay, dy du will be e raised to power u. This times du over dx is this times here, because there are two or more things, you put it in brackets. So put the brackets, say 3 s raised to power 2 plus 2. Okay, remember, our u for our initial equation is this times here. So you say our u is what? S raised to power 3 plus 2x plus 3. Remember, this times, so this times, this is 3s squared plus 2. Okay. Of course, we can simplify further, or you can leave an answer like this. Any one of your choice. If you know you don't want to complicate things, or you just want to make it easy, you can just leave an answer like this, or you can just put it in this form. Let me say e s raised to power 3 plus 2x plus 3. Then here will be brackets, which is 3s raised to power 2 plus 2. Okay, you can simplify further, or you can just leave it like this. Okay, so in our question number 3, you also use the same approach to solve it. So, and I want you to write the answer in the comment section. Please indicate the processes that you will use to get your final answer. Just like this, exactly the process that I've taken. I want you to include this in the comment section. So thank you for this presentation. Until I see you next time.